Hello friends, my name is Ruchika. I welcome you to Success Series Education. Here I have the current affairs in multiple choice question format. These are for the month of May 2017. This is part 1 of the video. Here I'll cover question 1 to question number 25. So let's get Let us see question number 1. Indian wrestler Sakshi Malik was defeated by whom at the recently held Asian Wrestling Championship Finals? साक्षी मलिक को किसने इस फाइनल मैच में हराया है? इसका आंसर है रिसाको कावाई. ये जापान की रेसलर हैं. इसकी कुछ और डिटेल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन देखते हैं. Sakshi Malik, Vinesh Fogart and Divya Kakran have bagged silver medals at the Asian Wrestling Championship. This championship was held at the KD Jadhav Stadium in New Delhi. Sakshi Malik bagged the medal in 60 kg category. Divya Kakran and Vinesh Fogart bagged the silver medals in the 69 kg and 55 kg categories respectively. यानी कि दिव्या ककरान को 69 kg और विनेश फोगाट को 55 kg कैटेगरी में सिल्वर मेडल्स मिले हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Which organization has appointed Amitabh Bachchan as the Goodwill Ambassador for Hepatitis in Southeast Asia region? इसका आंसर है WHO यानी कि वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इसकी कुछ और इंफॉर्मेशन देखते हैं. World Health Organization has appointed Amitabh Bachchan as the Goodwill Ambassador for Hepatitis in Southeast Asia region. Southeast Asia region में हेपेटाइटिस डिजीज के बारे में जानकारी फैलाने के लिए वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने अमिताभ बच्चन को चूज किया है. It is estimated that 325 million people across the world suffer from chronic hepatitis, which is an inflammation of the liver resulting in liver scarring, liver cancer and death. So this is a very major disease, hepatitis, और इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने अमिताभ बच्चन को अपॉइंट किया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Who is the newly appointed India's ambassador to France? इसका आंसर है विनय मोहन क्वात्रा. इसकी कुछ और इंफॉर्मेशन देखते हैं. Diplomat Vinay Mohan Quatra has been appointed as India's next ambassador to France. Currently, उनकी क्या पोजीशन है? He is the Joint Secretary in the Prime Minister's Office. He will succeed यानी कि उनसे पहले इंडिया के ambassador to France थे मोहन कुमार, जो कि अब रिटायर होने वाले हैं. अब चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पे. What is the theme of National Technology Day 2017? इसका आंसर है Technology for Inclusive and Sustainable Growth. The National Technology Day is celebrated on May 11th. It is being commemorated to celebrate the anniversary of first of the 5 tests of Operation Shakti nuclear test which was held on 11 May 98 in Pokhran, Rajasthan. तो 11 मई को सबसे पहले तो पोखरान राजस्थान में न्यूक्लियर टेस्ट किया गया था. That operation was led by the President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. On the same day, यानी कि 11 मई को ही इंडिया का पहला इंडिजिनस एयरक्राफ्ट हंसा 3 को भी बेंगलोर में टेस्ट फ्लाई किया गया था. और साथ ही साथ 11 मई को ही इंडिया ऑल्सो कंडक्टेड सक्सेसफुल टेस्ट फायरिंग ऑफ त्रिशूल मिसाइल. तो 11 मई को इतनी 3 लैंडमार्क चीजें हुई हैं, इसलिए इंडिया में इसे नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी डे के रूप में मनाया जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. नेम द इंडियन रेसलर मेल हु हैज वन अ ब्रोंज मेडल एट द एशियन रेसलिंग चैंपियनशिप 2017. तो इनमें से किस रेसलर ने एशियन रेसलिंग चैंपियनशिप में ब्रोंज मेडल जीता है? आंसर है हरप्रीत सिंह. Harpreet Singh has bagged the bronze medal in Greco-Roman weight division in the Asian Wrestling Championship, which was held at KD Jadhav Arena in the Indira Gandhi Stadium complex in New Delhi. इन्हें ये जो ब्रोंज मेडल मिला है, इसके लिए इन्होंने किसको हराया? जुनजी ना ऑफ चाइना. और इनकी वेट कैटेगरी थी 80 kgs कैटेगरी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the Vesak Day celebrations in which country? इसका आंसर है श्रीलंका. Prime Minister Modi will travel to Sri Lanka to attend the Buddhist festival called Vesak Day, which is Buddha Jayanti, that commemorates the birth, enlightenment and death of Buddha. This will be his second visit to Sri Lanka since becoming the Prime Minister. International Day of Vesak celebrations will be held in Colombo from May 12 to May 14th. तो इस सेलिब्रेशन के लिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी श्रीलंका जाएंगे. Question number 7. Name the new equipment used by Indian Railways to run trains without guards. The answer is End of Train Telemetry, EOTT. The end of train telemetry equipment to run nearly 1000 trains without guards is costing approximately 10 lakh for one set. Question number 8. Rafael Nadal has won the Madrid Open 2017. This is his dash victory. इसका आंसर है 5th victory, यानी कि उन्होंने मैड्रिड ओपन को 5वीं बार जीता है. Rafael Nadal beat Dominic Thiem to clinch his 5th Madrid Open title. With this victory, he has won 3 straight titles after Barcelona Open and Monte Carlo Masters victories. Nadal will also move into the world's top 4, replacing 18-time Grand Slam champion Roger Federer in the new ranking. तो अब जो वर्ल्ड की टॉप रैंकिंग है उसमें रेफेल नाडल रॉजर फेडरर को भी पीछे छोड़ देंगे. Now let us see question number 9. Where has the integrated case management information system been introduced? इसका आंसर है it has been introduced in the Supreme Court of India. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated Supreme Court's Integrated Case Management Information System. This digital filing system will mark Supreme Court's first step towards becoming a paperless digital court. तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी अपने सारे डेटा की डिजिटाइजेशन शुरू कर दी है with this system. Question number 10. Which court has stayed the Kulbhushan Yadav hanging? कौन से कोर्ट ने ये इंडियन नेशनल कुलभूषण जाधव की हैंगिंग को स्टे कर दिया है? आंसर है इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस. दिस इज कुलभूषण जाधव. India has received a stay order preventing Pakistan from executing the death sentence awarded to former naval officer Kulbhushan Jadhav from the International Court of Justice at The Hague. International Court of Justice was established in 1945. इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस यूनाइटेड नेशंस का हिस्सा है और ये एक वर्ल्ड कोर्ट की तरह एक्ट करता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. नेम द न्यूली इलेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ कोरिया. इसका आंसर है मून जैन. मून जैन विल रिप्लेस द आउस्टेड प्रेसिडेंट पार्क ज्यू-हिन हु वाज इजेक्टेड आफ्टर अ करप्शन स्कैंडल फॉर विच ही इज अवेटिंग ट्रायल. साउथ कोरिया की जो पिछली प्रेसिडेंट थी उन्हें हटा दिया गया क्योंकि उनके अगेंस्ट एक करप्शन स्कैंडल था और नए प्रेसिडेंट हैं मून. मून इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोपोनेंट ऑफ द सनशाइन पॉलिसी. अब मून सनशाइन पॉलिसी को मानते हैं और ये पॉलिसी क्या है? इट एम्स टू इम्प्रूव द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द साउथ कोरिया एंड द नॉर्थ कोरिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Name the venue of the 29th edition of India-Indonesia bilateral naval exercise. इसका आंसर है पोर्ट ब्लेयर. The name of the exercise is CORPAT, which stands for Coordinated Patrol. It has commenced at Port Blair under the aegis of Andaman and Nicobar Command. This is a bilateral exercise scheduled to be held from 9 to 25th May. इंडोनेशिया की नेवल शिप KRI Studi Senoputra has arrived to take part in the 29th series of Indonesia Indo-Corpat. Question number 13. Name the High Court judge who has been recently sentenced to 6 months imprisonment by the Supreme Court. इसका आंसर है C.S. Karnan. He is C.S. Karnan. This is the first time, भारत की हिस्ट्री में पहली बार ये हुआ है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक हाई कोर्ट के जज को जेल भेज दिया है ऑन द चार्जेस ऑफ कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट. फर्दर, द बेंच ऑफ जजेस कंप्राइजिंग जस्टिस दीपक मिश्रा, J. चेल्लमेश्वर, रंजन गोगोई, M.B. लोकुर, P.C. घोष and Kurian Joseph has prohibited media, print and electronic from publishing any orders if passed by Justice Karnan. Question number 14. Name the newly elected president of France. The answer is Emmanuel Macron. He is just 39-year-old and he is the youngest president of France and the youngest occupant of Champs-Élysées. Emmanuel Macron was the former investment banker. He had served for 2 years as the French economy minister. तो इन्होंने इससे पहले 2 साल के लिए फ्रेंच इकोनॉमी मिनिस्टर का रोल भी निभाया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. Rabindranath Tagore's 156th birth anniversary is being celebrated in which country? इसका आंसर है Egypt. Tagore Festival will be organized by the Maulana Azad Center for Indian Culture, that is MACIC. Tagore had visited Egypt as a young boy in 1878 and later in 1926. He was the first non-European to receive the Nobel Prize. Let us see question number 16. Who was the first woman Chief Justice of a State High Court of India? The answer is Leela Seth. Justice Leela Seth was the first woman Chief Justice of a State High Court and she has passed away at the age of 86. She was also distinct to become the first woman to top the London Bar exam as well as becoming the first female judge of the Delhi High Court. She is the mother of noted author Vikram Seth. Justice Leela Seth is the mother of writer Vikram Seth. Question number 17. Which company has launched Express Wi-Fi in India? The answer is Facebook. Facebook has launched Express Wi-Fi commercially in India and the service is now available via 700 hotspots across 4 states that are Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Meghalaya. Apart from India, Express Wi-Fi services are active in Indonesia, Kenya, Nigeria and Tanzania. Question number 18. What is India's ranking in FIFA? The answer is 100th rank. The Indian national football has managed to secure 100th spot and has entered into the top 100 of FIFA ranking. This is the first time in 21 years that India has been ranked in the top 100. The FIFA World Ranking ranks men's national teams in football. The rankings are currently led by Brazil, यानी कि Brazil FIFA ranking पे number 1 पे है. Question number 19. Which city has topped the ranking in Swachh Sarvekshan 2017? Swachh Sarvekshan is a part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. इसका आंसर है इंदौर. Union Urban Development Minister M. Venkaiah Naidu has announced the cleanest and the fastest moving cities on sanitation ladder under Swachh Sarvekshan 2017. Indore is the cleanest city. Gonda in UP is the dirtiest city. Let us see the top 10 cities. Indore, Bhopal, Vishakhapatnam, Surat, Mysore, Tiruchirappalli, New Delhi Municipal Corporation, Navi Mumbai, Tirupati and Baroda. These are the top 10 cities of the Swachh Sarvekshan 2017. Question number 20. Which state has launched Gauvansh Chikitsa mobile vans? इसका आंसर है उत्तर प्रदेश. Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya has flagged off ambulance service for the cows. In addition, a Gau Seva toll-free number has been released to enable common people to come forward and help the cows. Question number 21. Name the world's first city to get its own Microsoft font. इसका आंसर है दुबई. Dubai has become the first city in the world to have its own Microsoft designed font. The font will have typeface both in Latin and Arabic script. It will be made available in 23 languages. The font was launched by the Crown Prince of Dubai, Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Question number 22. Name the first train of Indian Railways to have automatic doors and secured gangways for all coaches. इसका आंसर है Tejas Express. Question number 23. Name the Indian winner of Talahi's Challenger title of the men's double season. इसका आंसर है Leander Pace. Next question. Name the winner of the Spanish Grand Prix. The answer is Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton has won the Spanish Grand Prix from pole position in the Formula One Championship. This is his 55th career win and second win of the season. Mercedes Hamilton finished 3.4 seconds ahead of Ferrari's Sebastian Vettel, and the third position was taken by Daniel Ricciardo. Question number 25. Name the Indian to win a GP3 race. इसका आंसर है अर्जुन मैनी. 19-year-old motorsport Indian driver Arjun Maini, who drives for Zenger Motorsport, has become the first Indian to win a GP3 series race at the Circuit de Catalunya in Barcelona. This is the third instance that the Indian national anthem was played during an F1 weekend, with the first two played after Karun Chandhok's 2 wins in GP2. Thank you for watching this. And for more such videos, do subscribe to our channel Success CDs Education.